Welcome to Camp Sarika by Eamon Geary, the most expensive camp on the planet. A week here will set you back $35,000. You get a private pool, a fireplace on the terrace, and a stunning interior, all in the Utah desert, but let's be honest, not everyone can afford it. So today we're showing you some alternatives that don't skimp on comfort or style. Let's go. Inflatable tents from Cody are a great pick for campers who like to go big. Take the 17-point to familiar model, for example, that sleeps up to 10 people. It's great from early spring through late fall and costs $2,115. And if you want to furnish the tent, Cody also sells inflatable furniture. Check out this sofa, it's big enough to lie down on, and comes with a built-in pump. The price is $222. This inflatable mattress from Cody is just as good. It's firm enough for people with back issues to sleep comfortably. It supports up to 310 kg and sells for $198. To keep things simple, Cody offers a wireless pump. The Smart CQ100, it works with both furniture and tents. It doesn't just inflate and deflate, but also checks the pressure every 20 minutes and tops it up if needed. It goes for $234. With the tent setup and furnished, let's add some light. This lantern from Altask sits on a telescopic stand, so you can use it as either a desk lamp or an outdoor light. The battery lasts up to 65 hours. The price is $149. Want the tent to be cool as well as bright? Take a look at this mini fan. It costs $50. Runs quietly on 3 speeds and clips to the tent ceiling with a carabiner. The Altara Arcadia 4P is a modular camping tent. With 2 canopies, it stands out with 6 setup modes, including the ability to connect the vestibule directly to your car's trunk or rear door. The price is $249. Need an extra sleeping spot? Go with the Spectre. It's a hammock with a mattress built in. It's comfortable even for side sleepers, and the Rainfly keeps out bugs and bad weather. The hammock sells for $479. Whether you're using a tent or a hammock, the camper kit makes a great companion. Swap the attachments and turn it into a charger, an alarm, a lamp, and several other gadgets. With the fan attachments included, the camper kit goes for $100. Another great fit for a high-tech campsite is the Anymaker. It's a portable swing chair that sits up in just 3 seconds. It supports up to 136 kg and sells for $269. And if you relax in the EcoFlow Power Hat, you'll be able to charge your gadgets. Thanks to its built-in solar panels, the hat delivers about 12 watts of power. The price is $116. Looking to impress the neighbors at the campsite? You'll probably like the Pagfire. It's a smokeless fireball that fits in a backpack and sets up without tools. The price is $359. The backpacker is also a standout. This stove weighs just 260 grams, but it boils half a liter of water in just 2.5 minutes. The price is $119. Hit the like button if you love a finished sauna. Now you can have one in tent form. It sets up in just 90 seconds, fits 5 people and heats up to 100 degrees Celsius. In under 30 minutes, the Hex costs $2,805. And what's camping without a fire? Whether it's before or after the sauna, someone will definitely want to kick back and watch the flames. That's the perfect time to break out your coffee. Campfire starter briquettes. They're made from just 2 ingredients, recycled coffee and beeswax, and they smell amazing. The price is $11. If the bad weather rolls in, no problem, the ultimate match lets you start a fire. No matter what it looks like, a flare shoots out a 650 degrees Celsius flame and still burns even after being submerged. One match costs $15. You don't even have to gather firewood or chop kindling. Just check out the Howl R1 propane campfire. It's about the size of a shoe box and produces a flame 80 to cm high. The price is $370 for dollars. And after the sauna and the fire, a shower is a perfect way to end the day. This one's built for camping and runs up to 110 minutes on a battery. The price is $51. Meet the Space Acacia. With this tent you can stand up straight inside, sleep on rocky ground, and even float. The small model fits 3 people, sets up in under 5 minutes, and works year-round. It includes an inflatable base, the tent itself, and a canopy. The full set costs $840. For those who want peak camping comfort, Space Acacia also makes special mattresses. They're not just inflatable, but also have special foam inside. At 11 cm thick, they support up to 200 kg without sagging. Great news if you sleep on your side. Each mattress starts at $115. If you like the Space Acacia tent, but your budget's tight, don't worry. You can buy it in parts. For example, the inflatable base for a 6-person setup costs $650. Do you like the fact that it floats? Then check out Traft. A cross between a tent and an inflatable raft. It's built for class for river rapids. The 101 model weighs about 5.3 kg, supports 159 kg, and is available on Kickstarter starting at $770. The Nortent Gamma 6 winter tent is inspired by traditional Norwegian shelters. It holds steady in the wind, even without guy lines, and features special flaps you can fill with snow, sand, or stones. It's built for year-round use. Sleep 6 people and sells for $1,550. The creators of the Pullman all-in-one also know how to handle rough weather. This sleeping system is ready for temperatures down to -30 degrees Celsius. The key is that it combines the advantages of a tent and a sleeping bag. A smart ventilation system keeps the air dry, making sleep more comfortable and helping your gear shed moisture faster. Cold weather camping also gets a boost from the scuttle. This is both a stove for cooking and a heater. Its patented pedestal design supports even large pots. It radiates heat in all directions, and the foldable design makes it an ideal camping companion. It's made entirely of metal, so it's built to last through many adventures. The price is $406. The Hyperlight Mountain Gear Shell Jacket is also a solid pick for anyone spending time in chilly or cold conditions. It's incredibly light, just around 164 grams, yet it protects not only from wind, but also from rain and snow, and it offers impressive breathability. The jacket costs around $450. Vista-Person tent is a great pick for road trippers who like to camp with their own car. It mounts on the roof and supports up to 227 kg. It's built for year-round use. But the real advantage it has over similar models is the weight. Depending on the version, it comes in at just 34 or 39 kg. That makes it one of the lightest rooftop tents on the market. The secret is carbon fiber prices start at $1,000. Sounds cool, but how do you get it up there? Easy with the bad boy lift. It can handle loads up to 89 kg, so you can mount the tent by yourself. And it doesn't just lift and lower it. When needed, the bad boy can double as a storage stand. Plus, it requires no electricity. All you need to do is turn the crank. The lift reaches a height of 2.2 meters and costs about $495.